Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you to how to add opaque on CapCut. How to add opaque on CapCut. If you want to add opaque on CapCut, this video will help you. I will guide you to upload your video like this. This is my video. Do it like this. You then move here. You see here you have video, audio, speed, animation, adjustment. So you go to video. Under the video you scroll down on your cap here. You scroll down. You see opacity. To add opacity, let's see something here. You scroll down. You see how the image is become. You see it's becoming dark. So you choose how you want yours to be on CapCut. You choose how you want yours to be. So this is how to change opacity on CapCut. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.